Hey, how you doing this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. Just wanted to salute all of my followers and fans of my blog of Hoggone Welding on YouTube. I appreciate the followers and also my followers on my Instagram page and Facebook. But I salute my followers on YouTube because some of them have contacted me and let me know how watching my videos have inspired them to either go to school, be independent, and start businesses. So I salute you, man. Thanks for following me. I appreciate that, to know that what I'm doing is actually helping someone. And honestly, like I say, I started this out, and I'm still, with this same mentality that I just want to show you that it can be done, because I know from our culture, we always have stepping stones, and we always think we have to conform to someone else's rules all the time, like as if we can't do it on our own. And if you look a little different, you feel like, oh, I need to change my name, or I need to change my look, or I need to speak a certain way in order to have a business, in order to be successful and do this. And you don't have to do none of that. I mean, you can be who you are. So if you are who you are, just be you. So that's pretty much why I started the blog, just to, and also to keep archives of my work as I grow and develop. So that way, later, even my kids can look back and be like, man, Daddy was doing this and that. I'm like, this is how I built it. I started from scratch. You know what I mean? So the only way to really get to where you want to get to, you have to start. You might have this dope vision. I talk to a lot of people, like, believe it or not, I talk to a lot of people, especially a lot of my black brothers, who have a lot of dope ideas, but they won't initiate anything. It's like when it's time to really put some money behind it, or it's time to really believe in it and put some work and some sweat and some sacrifices, and get outside of their comfort zone. That's that when it that's when it really breaks. That's where the thin line comes in. At when it's time to get out your comfort zone, because some people are so used to punching the clock, expecting the check to come in if they put these hours in. Well, if you're doing this as a business, sometimes you can put a lot of hours in, and you might not get that check right then. But the longevity of it is to stay at it, and also know that, okay, I might have to keep this job for a minute to to keep my business going. Or if you got in a relationship and got a partner, one person might work, one person might freelance to get things going. However you might use to do it. Or if you're independent, then you might have a little side job or two side jobs while you work in your business. But you have to be able to start from somewhere. So I'm glad that I inspired someone, that I am inspiring people to actually make a move and be independent, or start a business, or be able to create things that they never thought that was possible. And honestly, um, that's what I'm doing it for, man. To help you, and to be able to live to be remembered, and knowing that I'm actually getting my hog on in the U.S. So I want people to know me in different states, even from me going and welding and actually teaching, or doing a seminar, or doing some work, or actually been there, that they put something up, some type of infrastructure. You know what I'm saying? So I enjoy that, man. I enjoy my work. I enjoy working with my hands. I enjoy creating. I enjoy building. I enjoy helping other people. I enjoy seeing someone else get something that can help them be better, and they like, man, I appreciate that this actually helped me. It just didn't, put a picture on my wall. It just didn't, give me some instant gratification, and then it was gone and I couldn't use it. Like some people will try to just sell you something and then it's gone. But if someone give you something that you can actually use and keep using, that's valuable. You see what I'm saying? So I don't want to try to, use anybody. I'm not using anybody. I'm out here really getting it. So anyone that gets inside the program, or anyone that gets a consultation fee, I'm really helping you. So the knowledge that I'm giving you for that $150 consultation fee is nothing. I mean, I bust my head. I spent thousands trying to learn it. You know what I mean? Going to different programs, thinking I had to do this and do that, and then realizing that certain things you got to learn, but then the rest of it, You got to make your own blueprints, and that's what I learned by being independent. You have to learn certain things. There's certain certifications and certain knowledge you have to have, and then the rest of it is building your blueprint, and that's how you be successful. Is building your own personal blueprint. So, just want to salute all my people out there, man. Y'all stay focused. Keep doing what you're doing. Like I say, leave your comments. You got any thoughts, sharing with me, you know what I'm saying? And if you want to get involved in the program, give me a call or email me at hogonwelding@gmail.com or call me at 480-430-46591. And I'm out.